Hi, I'm Mark Green. I'm here to show you how to properly set up your Novitool Aero Splice Press with Intellisplice Technology to splice lightweight thermoplastic belting, including PVC or polyurethane. First, we're going to remove the top beam. Then one of our silicone cloths, our clamp bars. And now I can load my pre-punched belt. So I'm going to place it right in between the 150 millimeter heat zone, which you can see by these marks is where that's located, all the way down the length of the press. Clamp that in place. Bring in my opposing end. And on my other clamp bar, confirm everything's tight. Clamp that down. Not to forget, it is critical to put these bumpers in, so we're going to install those now. And then we're going to put a piece of parchment over the top because this is a matte finish. And then we're going to lay our silicone cloth on and reinstall our top beam. And align our heat zone marks in the front and the back. And tighten with a cross-X pattern, just finger tight. And now we're ready to splice. Now we'll plug in the umbilical cable. The power cable. And then we'll plug into the main power source. Now we can power up the press. The press has detected the power cable being a single phase 110 volt 20 amp cord. So we're just going to accept that because that's true. And then we can enter our recipe. And then entering pressure, heat, and time. I'm going to demonstrate that by using the D-pad and the touch screen. So our pressure, I can go down to our temperature, scroll up. Go to the next one, use the D-pad, scroll up, change my time, and then my cool down is correct. Now we can start the press. Now we can release the pressure. Now we're going to disconnect the power. In order to remove and inspect the splice, we'll need to loosen the 4 press connector bolts and remove the top beam. Take off the silicone cloth, as well as the parchment paper. And then remove our clamp bars. Now that's a quality splice. Now that we've completed a successful splice, I'm going to save it to the press. But first we have to create a group, and we're going to call this group Poly. Now we can enter the name of the recipe. We're going to call this Blue 2 for Blue 2-ply urethane. And it's that easy. Now we will load a saved recipe. First we're going to select Load Recipe, then select your group, and then select your recipe. When you're ready to start your splice, just press the green button.